Hello guys, welcome to our channel Essential BI. So in this video what we are going to learn, how to transpose the column into the rows. So here we have the column which contains the four values. So value may be multiple because we have taken only the four value here for the understanding purpose. But if you have multiple values in your column, you can transpose the entire column into the row. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to select the column, copy that column and press Alt E S. Once we will press Alt S E S, then we will find the transpose option. So we will click on the transpose, click on OK, so that it will convert your entire column to row. So that is the trick to convert the entire column into the row. So I'm also putting the shortcut. Thank you so much guys.